Hey guys, it's your girl 4 Wheel Fitness, and I am here with my second beginner roller skating tutorial or lesson of our June roller skate to liberate to learn all about human trafficking. And guys, I shared it in my story yesterday, but I hope you all were able to check out lesson 1. I know I learned a lot about what human trafficking is, and I had no idea that certain things that are going on right now in social media and things like that are actually forms of human trafficking. So guys, be sure to just check it out. Give some love to Roller Skate to Liberate for all the hard work they're doing. And now for our lesson. So what we are going to do is called side steps. So I love side steps because you can do them slow, controlled, and any way you want. So if you are a beginner, let's get up on our skates, get our knees soft, bring our feet as close together as possible. And what we're going to do is we're just going to take tiny steps to the side, to the left, and to the right. Now, I say slow and controlled because you will feel yourself literally rolling out of this spot. And what I want you to do is try to focus on staying in the same space. So when you start rolling, remember those edges, those inside edges and outside edges. Start wiggling your feet a little bit just to find where you can really stick them in and get control of your edges. So slowly to the side. Once you feel pretty confident and you're not rolling a lot, starting slow, starting small, you can go wider. So side steps are great for beginner, intermediate, when you're ready to go wider. So I'm going wider. And also when you're ready to go faster. So side steps are also a really great dance move. So you can use them, jazz them up a little bit, make it funky. Or you can just start like I did in the beginning, slow, controlled, side to side stepping. And again, this is going to help you stay in your square. So start getting control of these edges, learning what's happening when your feet are pushing to the outside, what's happening when your feet are pushing to the inside of your edges. And these side steps really help you start getting that grounding. So again, if you want a little challenge, you can always go wider and faster for your side steps. Just making sure that your foot is always touching because you are side stepping. And also making sure that you're staying in the same spot. And there you go, guys. Have fun. Keep rolling. And again, make sure you check out Roller Skate to Liberate Challenge.